So today I am at Mapletree Business um, Tower, MBC, Business Center rather. Oh, looks like a cool place to be working at. Oh. And it looks like it might rain. Do you work around this area? How is it like working in a place that has lots of greenery, lots of restaurants? I think Google is here. Let's see. I just finished my Korean lunch at OG. Just walking around. Oh. It's even got a fitness park. Let's go check it out. So you have the food court out there. Guess the fitness park is also up. Let's see. And that's actually something I'm very curious about. Okay, so it's here. Google is actually just behind me. We will check that out later. I guess in a way it's quite interesting because, you know, I'm sure there are lots of big companies here, and the abundance of green spaces does serve a nice spot for people who want to just unwind a little bit from the daily stresses at work. Just come down 5-10 minutes, soak in the sun, breathe some fresh air, fresh oxygen from all these plants happening. Giving out. Okay, so here we are, the fitness park. Okay, so it's just courts. A part of me thought it would be like a gym or something, but anyway, still cool. Not very common in, business areas. So you have a futsal court. Oh, it's apparently not very far from Henderson Waves and the Hort Park. Anyway, so yes, you have the futsal court over here. I see a basketball court up ahead. It is started to drizzle as well. But no problem, as long as it does not start with lightning or crazy rain. They're quite fine. Oh, this place is really big. Like, I remember when I came here, as I was finding my way here, it was a little bit of an adventure. You have to walk through the Arc Mall and, to come here. But it is huge. Okay, so you have kind of like a outdoor gym area, and you have your tennis court, your basketball court. Okay, where should we go? Alright, it has officially started pouring a little bit. So we can explore. I'm just gonna go into the shelter and grab my cap, I guess, so that we can explore a little bit more. My makeup's getting ruined. Okay. Okay, you know what? The rain has gotten considerably heavier, so even the hats is not going to do you any good. But anyway, let's go check out this place in the indoors. I think I need my mic. So you can see the rain. Well, can't really see on camera though, but you can see that the floor is getting wet. Alright, let's go see where Google is. What's down here? Holy shit. I tripped on this thing. What is down there? Okay. Looks like it's just a car park, I think. Cool. Don't know the relation to a fire engine to this place to appreciate that. Really yummy Korean food. Oh. Alright. You see the rain? Let me see if you can get it. I love the smell of rain. Especially in the morning. Like it smells like Christmas. Okay. Pretty sure you can see up ahead the primary colors popping out. And here we have it. Google it. It is getting very windy.
Because the space is for another person. 没有，他在家里那个搞完，他要
There we go. And yeah. Okay, so this is just like the main lobby area. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay. Sorry, everything's flying. 1 second. Shit. Oh. So I just spilled some yuzu drink in myself because my hat almost flew out and I was trying to hold on to it. That shows how windy it is. Alright, so here are some of the restaurants. I saw Guzman here. And Subway, Sidel, Mr. Bean. Yeah. Sorry for the cursing earlier. Although, if you think shit is a curse word, then too bad. Okay, so there seems like there's another food court up ahead, but we're not gonna go there. I think lunchtime is approaching, so you see a lot of people coming out. Yeah. So that's about it. The mini tour in Mapletree Business Center. Quite interesting workplace area. What is this? Let's see. Okay, this I know. The Fullerton Lighthouse. Alrighty. So that's it, I guess. Lots of artifacts from England here. Don't know the relation to this place besides the fact that Singapore was colonized by the British. If you work here, do you enjoy your working environment? If you don't, is there something cool? Alright, I am going to head to, I don't know where I'm going now. I'll keep you posted.